Okay, welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on Design Spark Mechanical, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a mountain bike grip. You'll be able to print this with rubber and put it on your handlebars. So we'll go ahead and go to File, New Design. We're going to come back up to File, go down to Design Spark Options, navigate over to Units. We want this to be in metric, so we'll go ahead and change that to metric. Then we're going to go ahead and change that to plan view. Okay, we're going to go ahead and create a line out here. So just click anywhere. We're going to drag down. We're going to type in 130 millimeters. That's how long the grip should be. Then we want the grip to be 33 millimeters. So we're going to offset this line 16.5. So we'll get our offset curve. We'll type in 16.5. Okay, and then we want to add some thickness to the grip, so we're going to go ahead and get our offset again, and then click on over and offset that, let's say 5 millimeters. Okay, let's Control plus to zoom in. Let's pan up. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get the line tool. We're going to put a little bit of a stopping point there for the grip. Okay. Let's go ahead and get the trim away tool. This is right there. Trim away that piece. Go ahead and up here to the create corner. We're going to extend that over. Now Control minus. We're going to do the same thing to the bottom. So let's go ahead and pan up. Just Control plus. Pan over to the right, grab our line tool. Similar situation here. Okay, let's get our trim away, which is right there, or T on the keyboard. Let's go up here to create corner. Okay, let's put some fillets on this. So we're going to go ahead and create rounded corner, grab that tool. Let's go from here to here. Okay, let's pan this down. Let's do the same up top here. Let's click there. Click 2 spots there to round, and then 2 more spots here, from here to there. Okay. Now we're going to Control minus. I want to put a little bit of a around a corner, a little bit of a arc in here. So we want this to give some padding to your for your hand. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to get rid of these. Delete. I'm going to get the 3-point arch. I'm going to go from there to there. And I want to put a little bit of a kind of a bow in there. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and Control plus. Let's pan this down so we can see. Now we're going to do the fillet tool. Go from there to there. All right, let's get our trim away. Get rid of that little piece. Okay, don't look too bad. Now let's go ahead and pan up. We're going to do the same thing down here. Get the trim away tool. We're going to trim away these 2 little pieces. Let's zoom in because I see a piece down there, but I can't actually click on it. So go ahead and get the trim away right there. Now let's get our rounded corner, create rounded corner. We're going to do the same thing there, put a little corner in there. Okay, now Control minus. Let's go ahead and pan down on this. Now we're going to go ahead and let's get our pull. We're We're going to click on the piece that we created. We're going to go to the revolve. We're going to select that midpoint, and then we're going to go full pull. All right, so now we're going to pan down. Let's spin this. I'm going to add some more thickness to the end here, so we're going to grab that. Oh, let's go ahead and select the click off. Let's click that. Pull. Let's pull that up to, type in 5 millimeters. Okay, let's pan. Let's do a little spin here. We're going to extend those 5 millimeters. So we'll click here, type 5. Okay. This is pretty good. This is going to be our mountain bike grip. I'll go ahead and view this from the top. Let's view from the right. Since I added this little arch right here, this is going to be the squishy part of the grip, so I'm not going to add any, I don't need to add any other knobs or anything for this particular grip. And we'll go ahead and spin that. I'm going to leave these end pieces here flat. I'm not going to put any kind of fillets or chamfers on them. What I am going to do is add a rounded fillet to here, just so it's easier to put this on. We'll do an 0.74, and then we're going to spin this around, do the same on this side, pull, click there, type in 0.74, enter. Alright, that's going to be it right here. So we'll go ahead and go back to the top view. Pull. Okay, that's going to be our mountain bike grip. That's going to end today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed watching and you got something useful out of the video. Please consider liking and subscribing if you enjoy the content, and thank you for watching.